What's up, guys? I have Corey's Bomb Ace chicken recipe for you guys today. I've literally been making this for like the last month, just about every day for lunch. You can do so much with it. You can put it in a salad, you can put it in a wrap like I'm going to today. You can just eat it by itself, but it's just a quick something that you guys can use with some spices that most people have in their house. I'll go ahead and show you guys all of that. But it is a little spicy, I ain't gonna lie. It's a little spicy, but it's got some brown sugar in it to make it a little sweet. It's a perfect combination. I promise, I didn't think I was gonna like it, and I was shocked to the point where I pretty much make it every day. So give it a shot. If you like spicy, you're definitely gonna like it. If you're not so sure about the spice, just do me a favor and give it a shot and let me know. Tell me what you think. Too spicy, not spicy enough, just right, like I think. So here we go. If you hear a lot of ruckus and stuff going on in the background, I apologize. We are moving. If you haven't seen it, we are moving to Florida.
Nice.
Here real soon, and we're just getting the house packed up while we can on days while we're home. And so I actually started another YouTube channel, which I'll put the link to that in the description. Our other YouTube channel is called the Flocan Family, which is Florida, Kansas family. Because we're going to kind of just take our journey from relocating our family from Kansas to Florida, and just kind of take you guys along that ride and just kind of show you what Florida's all about for us. And we don't have jobs down there. We don't know anybody down there. We've never even been to Naples, Florida. We've never even been in the city limits. So it's going to be an exciting ride. So make sure to go check that out. Subscribe to that channel. We'll be posting videos on that really soon. We've already got our first video up. So anyways, total side note, go check it out. Links in the description, but let's get to this chicken. Okay, step number one, 12 ounces of chicken. That's right. Time to be a big boy or big girl. Let's eat some protein. 12 ounces of chicken, you need to measure that out raw. So it looks like this. Step two, wash your chicken. That's disgusting. Like, it's got that nasty, filmy taste. You guys gotta wash it, rinse it, and then cut it up. You're gonna mix all the ingredients in a bowl. We're gonna add the chicken, stir it up, bada bing, bada boom. All right, once you guys get it all mixed up, we're gonna take it over to the old trusty air fryer, which I use pretty much every day. It's kind of like my thing. And we're gonna cook it for about 14 to 16 minutes, depending on your air fryer. Sometimes today is kind of a lower carb day for me, so I'm not really gonna do any like fries or potatoes or anything today. I'm just gonna put it in a wrap, and I'll show you guys that. That's optional, obviously, but I'm just gonna put it in the air fryer and check back here in a sec. Actually, wait a second. If you don't have an air fryer, you gotta go get one. We use this one right here. It's called the Power Air Fryer XL. Looks like that. It's got this big basket here, and we literally use it every day. And that's pretty much that. That's Corey's Bomb Ace. I'm not gonna cuss on the channel, but you get what I'm saying. Chicken rub, chicken recipe, whatever. Today I'm gonna put mine on a tortilla with a little avocado, a little salsa, and that's how I'm gonna go today. Like I said, you can put it on salad. You could just eat it like that. Eat it great with some potatoes, things like that. Just give it a shot. Let me know in the comments what you think, and catch you guys on the next one.